Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, class. We are in a fourth meetings and we will discuss new topic after previous material. We have discussed about subject and verb. Today, in our fourth meeting, we will study about fragments. Okay. In this chapter, there are 5 points that will be studied by us. Number 1 is what fragments are. Number 2, discussing about dependent word fragment. Number 3, discussing in and to fragment. Number 4, discussing about edit detail fragment. And number 5, the last, discussing about missing subject fragments. But in these meetings, we will only discussing about 3 points. Definition of fragment, dependent word fragment, and into fragments. Okay, better for you, class, to understand the introductory activity here. Okay, please read this once. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb and must express a complete thought. A word group that lack of a subject or a verb does not express a complete thought, it is a fragment. Or in bahasa Indonesia means that setiap kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris itu harus mempunyai subjek dan kata kerja dan harus mengungkapkan makna yang sempurna. Jika tidak mengungkapkan makna yang sempurna atau tidak mempunyai subjek dan kata kerja, maka tidak dinamakan sentence tetapi dinamakan fragment. Okay, look at this example. Number 1, telephones is a fragment. Telephone ring sentence. If you write only telephone is a fragment. Why? Because consisting only subject and there is no verb and does not express a complete thought. But different with telephone ring, telephone subject, ring become verbs. Look at number 2, explain. Explain is a fragment. But if you add subject, Darrell explain become a sentence. Okay. Number 3, scribbling notes in class. This is a fragment. Why? Because there is no subject and there is no part of the verbs. In the form of was, for example. Because of the tense. Okay. If you only write this one, scribbling note in a class is a fragment because of the missing subject and does not express a complete thought. Okay. Look at number 4. When the dentist began drilling. Full stop. Ketika dokter gigi mulai mengebor, full stop. This is a fragment. Although consisting about subject, dentist, and verb began, but it does not express a complete thought. So what happened next after the dentist began drilling? So better for you to add another sentence. Okay, by adding comma, I close my eyes. Okay. So what is the fragment, class? The fragments, every sentence must have a subject and a verb and must express a complete thought. A word group that lack a subject or a verb and does not express a complete thought we call as a fragment. Jadi fragment adalah jika adalah kumpulan kata tetapi yang di situ tidak ada subjeknya, tidak ada kata kerjanya dan tidak mengungkapkan makna yang lengkap, namanya adalah fragments. There are 4 common type of fragment that usually write by people. Number 1 we call as dependent word fragment. Number 2 we call as in and to fragment. Number 3 edit detail fragment. Number 4 is missing subject fragment. Okay, we will discuss it one by one. Dependent word fragments. Some words that begin with a dependent word are fragment. Look at the box. On the module you have. There are some common dependent words like after, although, though, because, before, even though, how, if, even, in order that, since, that, so that, unless, until, what, whatever, when, whenever, where, wherever, whether, which, whichever, while, who, and whose. We discuss one by one. So look at the examples. Okay. After I stopped drinking coffee. After I stopped drinking coffee, full stop. This is a fragment. Began with the dependent word after. Yang dimulai dengan dependent word yaitu after. Setelah saya berhenti minum kopi, full stop. What's next? This is a fragment. Why? Because it does not express a complete thought, karena tidak mengungkapkan ide pikiran yang lengkap. Ya, oke. So when you find a fragment like this one, what should you do? Ya, apa yang harus dilakukan? There are some ways. Ya, there are some ways for correcting fragment. Ya, dependent with fragments. Oke. The correct way number one to correct the fragment, simply follow through the complete thought. Yeah, for example, after I stop drinking coffee, yeah, in here, yeah, end it with a full stop. Yeah, to correct a fragment, you just change it to a comma and then attach to the sentence that come after it. After I stopped drinking coffee, comma, I began sleeping better at night. Setelah saya berhenti minum rokok, what next? Apa selanjutnya? Saya mulai tidur baik pada malam hari. Saya mulai tidur lebih baik pada malam hari. Ya, okay. Another example of fragment here. Brian sat nervously in the dental clinic. This is a sentence, ya. But the fragment is while waiting to have his wisdom tooth pulled. Ya, ini dia. Ya, why? Because of it began with the word dependent word while. Yeah. Next, Maria decided to throw away the boxes. Yeah, this is a sentence. Yeah, but that had accumulated for years in the basement is a fragment. Yeah, okay. Why? Because of there is no subject. Okay. When you find the fragment in a fragment in writing, what should you do? Yeah, the first thing that you could do is number one. In most cases, you can correct a dependent word fragment by attaching it to the sentence that come after it or to the sentence that come before it. Menempelkan kepada kalimat yang datang sebelumnya atau sesudahnya. Okay, for example, after I stopped drinking coffee, I began sleeping better at night. Ya, okay, changing full stop into comma and then attach to the sentence that come after it. Brian sat nervously in the dental clinic, attaching, ya, while waiting to have his wisdom tooth pulled, ya, by attaching it to the sentence that come before it. Okay, Maria decided to throw away the boxes that had accumulated for years in the basement, yeah, by correcting the fragment by attaching to the sentence that come before it. Menampilkan pada kalimat yang datang sebelumnya. Okay. Another way, yeah, to correct a dependent word fragment is to eliminate the dependent word and make a new sentence. Yeah, after I stopped drinking coffee, delete the word after, ya. So it will be I stopped drinking coffee. Make a new sentence, ya. Bisa ini, ya. Saya berhenti merokok, selesai, full, ya, complete thought, ya. But different with after I stopped drinking coffee. There will be next activity after. Okay. He was waiting to have his wisdom tooth pulled, ya, by adding a subject and also part of verbs, yeah, as we discussed in our previous meetings. That had accumulated for year in the basement, same, yeah, by adding subject, okay, and deleting dependent word that, yeah. Okay, keep in mind that class, yeah, use a comma if a dependent word come at the beginning of the sentence, ya. Gunakan koma jika dependent word itu muncul di depan kalimat, ya, after. Ya, maka di sini menggunakan koma, or maybe before I stop drinking coffee, koma, ya. Jadi kalau dependent word-nya muncul di depan, maka di tengah-tengah harus diberikan koma. But if the dependent word appear in the middle of the sentence, there is no comma. Okay? If dependent word appear in the middle, there is no comma. Okay. Look at this one. Brian sat nervously in the dental clinic while, dependent word while, yeah, because of while appear in the middle, there is no comma, yeah. In the dental clinic, comma, no, yeah. If you add comma, false. Okay, class. Okay, next. Maria decided to throw away the boxes that, dependent with that. There is no comma here. If you add a comma, false your writings. Okay? Sometimes the dependent word who, that, which, where appears not at the very start but near the start of the word. For example, today I visited Maria Cooper. This is a sentence, but this is a fragment. A friend who is in the hospital. Seorang teman yang ada di hospital. This is a fragment. Who is a friend? Still have equations. So to correct the fragment, you could attach it to the sentence that come before it. Jadi ditambahkan saja kepada kalimat yang datang sebelumnya. It will be, today I visited Melissa Cooper, a friend who is in the hospital. Seorang teman yang ada di rumah sakit. A friend refer to Melissa Cooper. Okay, class. That's the explanations of dependent with fragment. It is time for you to do activity 1. Okay, please read the directions and also do activity 2. Combining sentences to correct dependent with fragments, and also read the directions. Okay, thank you.